All right, welcome to another episode of Tommy's Tool Shack to dial sunglasses in. Today we're going to talk about specifically some of our frames. And so what we'll do on this yellow one, which is kind of crazy, is we'll go with this this printed temple here. If you notice, there's a little notch in here to where the pin that locks it in there, it opens up a little channel there. And you just, once you get it over there, it pops just out like that. And then now I'm gonna put in this other colored one. Now I want to get that same angle, and you always gotta start with the top, go into here, and there you go. So now you got a whole different look, you know, which is that. I didn't take the side shield off. This side shield will actually, you know, come out and go on there too. So as soon as you take the side shield out of these temples, it negates the safety compliance by not having the frame markings, which we'll get into the next episode. There you go. So that's basically it. So you got the yin and the yang, and there you go. We'll see you on the next episode. If you got any comments about this stuff, maybe you have a pair already and got questions, like you had troubles with it, feel free to message us below, and we'll get you handled.